Imagine reaching a point in life where you no longer have to wake up early, commute for hours, or stress about bills. Retirement is supposed to be that freedom, the time to enjoy life on your terms. But here's the catch. That dream only becomes a reality if you plan for it. Most people think retirement is decades away, so they push it aside. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the easier it gets. Even small steps taken today can grow into a huge safety net for your future. Waiting until later can make the process stressful, overwhelming, and costly. Retirement planning isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that when you decide to stop working, you won't have to worry about basic expenses, healthcare, or lifestyle. Understanding the basics of retirement. At its core, retirement planning is about three things: how much money you'll need, how long you'll need it, and how to grow your savings to meet that goal. Let's break it down. First, how much will you need? A simple rule of thumb is to aim for about 70–80% of your current income per year. Why not 100%? Because some expenses, like commuting or work clothes, may decrease after retirement. But other costs, like healthcare, travel, or hobbies, may actually increase. Next, think about how long you'll need that money. Life expectancy is rising, which means your retirement savings may need to last 20, 30, or even 40 years. Imagine spending decades in freedom without financial stress. Sounds amazing, right? But it requires careful planning today. Finally, how do you grow your savings? This is where investing comes in. Simply saving money in a bank account isn't enough. You need your money to work for you, to grow steadily over time, and to fight against inflation. The power of starting early. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in retirement planning: time. Compound interest might sound like a boring financial term, but it's actually magic. Imagine you invest just a small amount every month. Over time, not only does your money grow, but the growth itself grows. It's like planting a tree that keeps growing taller and stronger every year, without you doing anything extra. Here's a simple example. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25 with an average return of 7% per year, by age 60, you could have over $400,000. But if you wait until age 35, that same effort might only grow to about $200,000. 10 years makes a huge difference. Starting early doesn't mean you need to invest huge sums. Even small, consistent contributions make a massive impact over time. How much to save? Now you might be wondering, how much should I save for retirement? The answer depends on your lifestyle goals. If you want to live modestly, your savings goal might be lower. If you dream of traveling the world or buying a vacation home, your goal will be higher. Financial experts often recommend saving at least 15% of your income for retirement. If you're starting later in life, you may need to save more to catch up. But remember, saving isn't about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing your future freedom. Choosing the right retirement accounts. Not all retirement accounts are created equal. The right choice can save you a lot of money in taxes and boost your growth potential. Common options include employer-sponsored plans like 401ks, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Each has its own rules, contribution limits, and tax advantages. Employer-sponsored plans often come with a huge benefit: matching contributions. This is essentially free money. If your employer offers to match your contributions, make sure you take full advantage. It's like doubling your investment without extra effort. IRAs, both traditional and Roth, offer flexibility and tax benefits. A traditional IRA may give you tax deductions now, while a Roth IRA lets your money grow tax-free for the future. The right choice depends on your current income, tax bracket, and retirement goals. Investment strategies for retirement. Once you've chosen your accounts, the next step is investing wisely. You don't need to be a stock market expert, but understanding the basics can make a huge difference. Diversification is key. This means spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds each play a role. As you get closer to retirement, your strategy should become more conservative. Younger investors can take more risks because they have time to recover from market ups and downs. Older investors may prefer safer, more stable options to protect their savings. Avoiding common mistakes. Many people sabotage their retirement without realizing it. One big mistake is procrastination, thinking, "I'll start later." Waiting even a few years can dramatically reduce your potential savings. Another mistake is underestimating expenses. People often forget about healthcare costs, inflation, and lifestyle changes. Failing to account for these can lead to a shortfall in retirement. Lastly, emotional investing, making decisions based on fear or hype, can be dangerous. It's important to stay focused on long-term goals and avoid reacting to market noise. Planning for healthcare and emergencies. Retirement isn't just about living comfortably, it's also about being prepared. Healthcare is one of the biggest expenses in retirement. Planning ahead with health insurance, long-term care options, and emergency savings is crucial. Emergencies can derail even the best-laid plans. Having a separate emergency fund ensures that unexpected costs don't force you to dip into retirement savings, keeping your future secure. Lifestyle planning. Money is only one piece of the retirement puzzle. Lifestyle planning is just as important. Think about what you want your retirement to look like. Do you want to travel? Start a hobby? Spend more time with family? Planning for these goals now helps determine how much you need to save and how to structure your investments. Retirement is a chance to live life on your terms, not just to survive financially. Align your savings with your dreams for a fulfilling future. Adjusting your plan over time. Life changes, and your retirement plan should too. Regularly reviewing your savings, investments, and goals ensures you stay on track. Changes in income, expenses, or life events like marriage, children, or moving can impact your plan. Adjusting early prevents big problems later. Retirement planning is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Treat it like a garden. Nurture it consistently, prune when necessary, and watch it grow over time. The emotional side of retirement planning. Planning for retirement isn't just about numbers. It's about peace of mind. Knowing you have a plan reduces stress and allows you to enjoy life now, without constantly worrying about the future. It gives you control and confidence, allowing you to make decisions freely instead of reacting to financial pressures. Imagine living your retirement years without debt, without stress, and with the freedom to pursue your passions. That's the reward of planning today. Putting it all together. So here's the simplified roadmap. Start early, even with small contributions. Understand how much money you'll need. Choose the right retirement accounts and take advantage of employer matches. Invest wisely and diversify. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Plan for healthcare and emergencies. Align your savings with your desired lifestyle. Follow these steps, and your future self will thank you. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Even the smallest step forward can make a huge difference over time. Open a retirement account, calculate your monthly savings goal, or review your investments. Your retirement is your future freedom. Take control now and secure it. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Plan smart, invest wisely, live freely. Your future self deserves it.